Hi everyone, welcome to Storyteller. Today we are going to hear a short story. The story is about a bamboo tree. Hope many of you would have heard this story. There used to be a man who got frustrated in life. Despite of all the hard works and the effort which he put in, he faced only failures in his life. Failure was the only one thing, was all that he learned throughout his life. So feeling defeated with the life, he left everything, whatever he had, he left his life and he exiled himself into the woods. He came into the forest. So there he met a hermit. Hermit is a person who lives alone with certain religious belief within themselves. So hermit is a person who lives alone with certain religious belief. Now, this disappointed man saw the hermit. What he did is, he said, "Dear hermit, can you please give me one reason why I shouldn't quit the life?" He pleaded because he faced. So what he said is, he was just pleading him to say only one reason why he should not quit this. So now the hermit, what he did is, he pointed out two trees in front of him. So one was fern and another was a bamboo tree. The disappointed man was listening to him. The hermit said, "When I planted the fern and the bamboo seeds, I planted it together. I took really good care of them," he was saying. He lighted the plants, that is, he placed the plants where it will get light. Then he have given water for them, and in addition to this, he gave them many fertilizers which will make them grow strong, grow better. So now what happened is, after a short span of time, the fern quickly grown from the earth. It grown from the earth very quick. The hermit continued and he said, "However, the bamboo tree, even when I have grown them on the same time, but even it did not grow a small inch from the earth." He planted both the trees at the same time. He watered he watered for both the plants in the same manner. Whatever he did for the fern plant, all that he did for the bamboo plant. But the bamboo plant did not grow even a single inch. So this was the thing which has happened in the first year. Over the first year, it did not grow. But still, what the hermit did is, he again tried to water it, light it, and then he nurtured it better to see whether it grows. So this continued for almost 4 years. By the 5th year, he was able to see a very tiny sprout which got emerged from the earth. And from the day it got emerged from the earth, within 6 months of time, the bamboo tree has grown 100 feet tall and it exploded out of the ground like anything. So he was saying that the bamboo tree lie dormant for 4 years only to grow exponentially in the 5th year. Bamboo tree lie dormant for 4 years just to grow like this much taller and bigger in the 5th year. The hermit was asking him. So the disappointed man was baffled by this question. He was just thinking, but he was not able to answer for this. He kept quiet. Then the hermit said, "Well, let me tell you one thing. The answer is quite obvious. The little tree was growing underground, developing a stronger root system. That root system should be very stronger, enough to support its potential for outward growth in the 5th year." So almost the 4 years, the bamboo tree was like it was growing underground beneath the ground with such a strong root, so that after the 5th year, it will be able to balance its potential, and even beyond that, it has to, if it grows again, it has to balance all this. So for 4 years, it was lying beneath the ground. So he was saying, had the tree not developed such a strong foundation, it would not have sustained in life when it has grown to this 100 feet tall, he was saying. So all this time, what you are struggling, where you are making your root grow stronger, said the hermit. So he was trying to point out that likewise, similar to the bamboo tree, this many years, he was making his roots stronger enough to face all the things for the upcoming years. So what it is, the man learned his lessons and he learned the value of hard work and persistence in life. So now what he did is he walked back towards his life to continue his work, to achieve his dreams and everything. Always two things was in front of him. One is the fern, another is the bamboo tree. So I hope the same moral applies to all. So I hope this story tells you something. If you're struggling and working hard, but if you cannot see any results, it doesn't mean that you're not growing. You're starting to develop the mindset and the foundation and a stronger root system to become successful or to achieve your goals or dreams one day. Because without this strong foundation or the root system, you will not be able to grow as much as you want. Thank you for hearing and watching Storyteller. If you like this, please share with your friends, subscribe. Thank you so much.